My name is Michaela. I'm 19 years old. I'm from South Stafford, and I am a student physical therapist assistant here at Germanna. I became interested in physical therapy actually through horses. I found out about hippotherapy, which is using horses to help physically rehabilitate people.
I'm Lori Daigle. I'm the program director for the Physical Therapist Assistant program here at Germanna Community College. Germanna has been known for a long time as a leader in nursing education, and we also have allied health fields that support the health of our community. And one of those fields is now physical therapy.
Germanna's Physical Therapist Assistant program is a 2-year program, so upon completing it you will have an associate degree and then you can take your licensure exam.
Michaela is in our 5th incoming cohort of physical therapist assistant students. She's one of our younger students. We have had students from 19 to 54 start this program. She came to us with a very strong background and had done really well on her prereqs, and she has proven to be a great student in the program and a leader as well. She's president of her class, and I see her going very far.
I've had some really neat opportunities to see patients and clinicians in both inpatient and outpatient settings. A lot of times you think of physical therapy as being sport-related rehab, and really there's so much more to physical therapy. The Physical Therapy Assistant program here at Germanna is awesome because it's affordable. You can realistically get through school and not have tons of debt that you have to pay back. We have a lot of hands-on opportunities here in the program. We have, of course, our didactic learning where we're in the classroom, but then we move to our lab time where we practice measuring range of motion, exercises, stretching, identifying muscles on the body. So again, it's not just in the textbook, but it's becoming applicable to real life.
If you're interested in the program here at Germanna in physical therapy assisting, we hold information sessions every month on the Locust Grove campus and on the Fredericksburg campus, and now even at Stafford. Please look on our website and follow the link to information sessions, and we look forward to seeing you there.
I'm Michaela. I'm a student physical therapist assistant here at Germanna, and I look forward to one day providing care for you as your physical therapist assistant.